Recently, on the internet, people are arguing about the fact that you, as a course creator, should focus on improving your conversion rate and forget about the amount of followers that you get. And this is a bold claim. So, let's start by understanding what a conversion rate really is. What's a conversion rate? Well, a conversion rate is the percentage of people who perform an action. Thus, you calculate it like number of people who do an action divided by total people. So, and you might wonder what kind of actions will I want to measure or track? Well, between the most common actions that you will track are sales. For example, what percentage of web visits are buying your product? And this is the most common conversion rate. Followers between sales. What percentage of social media followers are buying my products? Followers between web visits. Well, what percentage of social media followers are visiting my web page? Ads and sales. What percentage of people who clicks my ads are buying my product? Ads and clicks. What percentage of people who watch my ads are visiting my website? Calls and sales. What percentage of people who talk with me on the phone are buying my product? Scheduled calls. What percentage of people who schedule a call attend the call? Why is it important? As you notice, we have conversion weights for almost every action. Now, you might wonder, why should you bother tracking this? Well, one simple reason. As Peter Drucker famously said, if you can measure it, you can manage it. And that means, how are you going to get more sales and help more people if you don't know where you are falling short? I mean, aren't you getting enough paying students because you can't attract people to your website? Or because your website doesn't convert people in customers? And to answer these kind of questions, you need to track your numbers and know where the constraint is so you can fix it. The power of conversion rates. Now, let me show you the power of improving your conversion rate and why this is the way over the endless path of getting more followers. So, first, let's see the average numbers that most course creators get uh, when launching their course. So, most course creators have 50,000 followers and they get over 5,000 web page visits monthly. And from these visits, only 100 people buy their course. And the course is price, and the course price is at $50, which means that your monthly income is $5,000. Now, let's see the average conversion rates. So, for the followers who visit your page, which means the percentage of people who visit your web page or your click rate is 10%, as you can see here, while the visits who buy your course or your sales rate is only 2%. This is the percentage of visits who buy your product, and you get it like visits between sales. Now let's go to the step 3, and it is the number goals. Your number goals, for example, let's say that your monthly income goal is $7,000. Therefore, you will need to sell 140 courses per month and you will need around 7,000 visits, which is 70,000 followers. And as you remember, you only had 50,000 followers, so you will need 20,000 extra followers. But what will happen if you improve your conversion rates? I mean, you keep the same amount of followers and visits, but you improve your marketing job. I mean, the people who buy while visiting your page. Well, then you will have the same income goal that is $77,000, The new course that you need to sell is 140. And the same visit you have, 5,000. And the same numbers of followers, which is 50,000 followers. Therefore, your need conversion rate, the new conversion rate that you need is 2.8%. So you only need 0.8% extra points, extra percentage points. As you notice, the change is outstanding. You go from needing 20,000 extra followers to just improving your conversion rate by 0.8 percentage points. So, what path do you think is more achievable? Well, keeping in mind these numbers, would you prefer to improve your conversion rate or just get more followers? And remember, this is a free conversion calculator that I've designed specifically for course creators. So it is the top link in the description and you can download it for free. So you can discover what's exactly your conversion rates and keep track of your numbers month by month. Final words on conversion rates. Once you discover and keep track of your conversion rates, you can improve them. And suddenly, the process of getting more customers doesn't rely on the amount of followers that you have or the algorithm. It is like recovering the power back from social media platforms and understanding that you can increase the amount of customers that you have even if YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, or Instagram doesn't give you a single new follower this month. And for many people here, improving your conversion rate is a more achievable path than relying on just getting more web visits through social media or ads. Conclusion: conversion versus more visits. Even though you might be excited with the idea of improving your conversion rate, why to marry with one single approach when you can have both of them? For example, what will happen if you improve your conversion rate and you also get 20,000 extra followers? Well, let's see the numbers. So, you have 70,000 followers and your new conversion rate is 2.8 percentage points percentage. And that means that you get 7,000 web pages visits per month and you sell 196 courses. At $50 every course, your monthly income is $9,800. Which means that now you go from having 50,000 followers to 70,000 followers, and your web business went from 5,000 per month to 7,000 per month. But you also improved your conversion rate. So your sales went from 100 course to 196 sales per month, and your income went from $5,000 to $9,800, which means that you almost doubled your income and your customers. So, here are some key numbers to date. Now you are selling 196 courses per month, which means that you are helping 196 new students every month to achieve their goals with your solution and course. And your monthly income is $9,800. And that, my friend, is a big win. Congratulations. So don't focus exclusively on getting more followers or only improving your conversion rate. Focus on both of them, but start with your biggest constraint. I mean, if you think that it will be easier for you to achieve your goals by improving your conversion, then start with that. But if you don't have many followers and the conversion rate wouldn't help you much, then focus on getting more followers by now. Later, you can focus on your conversion weight. And remember, you can calculate your own numbers for free with a conversion weight calculator, specifically designed for course creators. It is the top link in the description. See you soon. Peace and success.